Jesus Christ, dude. Huh? I got a CBR 600. He's got a GIXXER 600. They know all about those. Why, you want to go on a ride? You want to go in the back? I'll take one of you on the back. You want to go in the back? You want to go right now? Come on. I can only fit one person. Who am I taking? Who's going? Are you going?
How do I hold you?
Hold my waist, dude. It's not gay. Don't worry. Hey, if you die, it's not my fault. How fast do you want to go? Fast? Hold on tight. What? The helmet? Anybody else want to go? You want to go? You want to go? It's fine, dude.
Wait, but you can't go too fast.
I'm going to go really fast.
Wait, am I allowed to wear my Birkenstocks to try to take my shoes off?
It's fine. You can leave your shoes on, dude. If you fall off, don't fall off.
Don't go fast.
Don't steal that.
What?
What?
Don't go fast.
50.
I'm kind of scared.
60. You'll be fine.
Can I have your helmet?
You want my helmet? You're going to be so disappointed in like 3 seconds. I'm telling you.
Yeah! Wait, why can't I hear something? Oh my gosh, Tatum, I hear you! It's like a walkie-talkie! This is so cool! This is so cool! Okay, wait. Do I put it on this? Yeah. Wait, what if I knock it over? I can't hear you. Damn, I'm so scared. Okay. I'm so scared right now. Do not go fast. Damn, bro. No. Stop! I'm done. What?
You don't want to try a wheelie?
No, don't do a wheelie! Don't do it! No! 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 This is fun. I like it. No! Stop! No!
Not so bad, right?
Not so bad. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Give me some. Guys, this was so fun. You all don't understand. That was really fun. I liked that a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Of course.
I guess I'll go. Can we go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Skylar, do it for me. Go. Nice. Do I look fucking hot? Okay. Wait, are you not getting on? Wait, how do I do this?
You want to go fast or slow?
Sarah, stop.
Don't let go.
Okay.
Fast enough? You want to
Yeah, you're good.
You want to go fast? faster?
Yeah, we can go back. Oh wait, faster? Oh shit, go for it.
Yo, George. You wanna go to the highway?
Oh fuck no, damn me off. Okay. Okay, I can't get it off, Sarah.
You wanna go?
Wait, how do I put it on? Wait, how do I like...
Hold on, or you're gonna fall off.
Oh my god! If you do a wheelie, I'm fucking killing you. If you fucking do a wheelie, you're dead! No! Oh shit! No! No! We're not fucking doing. Oh my fuck! Oh! I told him he did a fucking wheelie, he was gonna die and he's gonna kick. Oh, it's hot!
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we met some beautiful people at McDonald's.
Guys, pause.